All right, quick video. You know, I've been posting lately the Insta360 X3. I had an issue yesterday where I forgot to charge it, forgot to charge my phone, and really had issues with my live stream. So just wanted to show I did order. Now, this is aftermarket. I normally wouldn't recommend it, but I figured it's okay. I'll play with it and test it. So I got here, it's supposed to be, I hope I grabbed the right box. This video is really going to be bad. It's supposed to be 2 batteries and a charger, but this thing's tiny. I mean, look at this thing. Am I holding it the right way? Yeah, you get it. So that concerns me a little bit because it's so freaking tiny. And again, child safe boxes, and I don't have my knife with me. So bear with me all. There we go. So I know the camera's small, but this is tiny as hell. All right, so cable. And I guess this makes sense for the packaging because it's a charging case with batteries. So the batteries are in the case, which I think is very cool. Now, it is aftermarket. What do I mean by aftermarket? It is not an official purchase from Insta. So here it is. This tiny little case here. I'm gonna pop it open, and there they are. Got the 2 batteries. Now they look good from what I could tell. I want to make sure I know which way I took it out. So I mean, they look good. Go ahead, you can focus. You can focus. Come on, come on. You can focus. It's trying to track me. Let me see if I could change that. See if it's gonna focus. Can you not focus? Okay, whatever. It is, and I have it upside down. A battery pack for Insta360. So I mean, it has all the information there. Oh, there we go. It has all the information there and all that stuff. So it is made for the Insta, and you just pop it in the case and just close the lid, and I guess it charges them. So I'm gonna test this. I'll let you know what I think about it. The only thing that concerns me is it going to be watertight? Because if it's not watertight, I'm going to kill my camera when I stick it in the bathtub or the sink or wherever I put it in water. All right, that's it for today. If anything, I'll give more information. I don't want to give the name and the price and everything until I test it because I don't want no one buying this. And just to let you know, I do have just over 500 subscribers now. So I do have Amazon links for products. So check in the description of my videos. I've been updating them. So if you're interested in this camera, the Ozbot Tail Air, if you're interested in the Mevo Starts, if you're interested in the Insta360 3X, please, 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 I get a little commission. You don't pay anything more, but links below. And yeah, help a brother out. All right. Take care and enjoy.